How to check Disklavier power supply unit at standalone. Connect AC power to CB1. Short circuit 1 between CB6 and connection 2. The system power is output to 8 and 9 of CB6. LED power is output to 10. Number 4 of CB6. When PO plus and PO minus are short-circuited, high voltage is output on 5/6/7 of CB5. Be careful not to get an electric shock because high voltage is output. The AC power is turned on and off is outside the screen. Turn on the power and check the output voltage. First, the system power supply. Next is the LED power supply. Next is the high voltage for the solenoid. Please be careful enough. Most of the failures are caused by leakage of the capacitor and the resulting pattern destruction. If replacing the capacitor and repairing the pattern does not help, the transistor or diode is damaged. If there is no power output on the secondary side, the power stream IC is broken. Short circuit PO plus and PO minus. These are usually connected to the piano thermostat. Please note that high voltage for solenoid is output. The voltage value depends on the power supply status.